Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So as you have seen in my last two videos, we have learned about fractions and the types of fractions both in English and Kasi version. So this time I'm going to do a new topic regarding an algebra. So before I start my class, I just want to request you to kindly like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also to turn on to the post notification for latest updates.
So the name of the topic that I'm going to discuss now is on algebraic expressions. And this chapter is again related to class 6 and class 7. So before I start to explain it to you what is an algebraic expression, first you need to know the basic concepts of algebra. And that is, you need to know what are constants and what are variables. What are constants and what are variables. Now constants, they are the quantities which have fixed values. For example, all the numbers that we use in arithmetic, they are all constants. Okay. For example, 1, 2, -3, -5, and so on and so forth. These are all constant. Why? Because these values, they do not change in any situation. They remain fixed, which means they have a fixed value. That is why they are called constants. Now variables. Variables are quantities whose values vary from situation to situation. For example, alphabets like A, B, C, X, Y, Z. All these alphabets, they represent variables. All these alphabets that we use in algebra, okay, they represent variables. So now you know what are constants and what are variables. Let us now discuss what is an algebraic expression. Now, what is an algebraic expression? An algebraic expression is a collection of constants and variables connected by one or more fundamental operations. Now, when we say fundamental operation, it means addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So, what is an algebraic expression? An algebraic expression is a collection of Number one is a collection of constants, and then variables and fundamental operations. Now, algebraic expression is a collection of constants and variables connected by one or more fundamental operations. For example, here, when we say constants, it means the numbers. Variables means the alphabets. And fundamental operation, it means addition. That means addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, which means plus, minus, multiplication sign, and division sign. Okay, so now you know what is an algebraic expression. It is a collection of constant, variables, and fundamental operations. Let me give you one example. For example, if I give you 2x plus 3, this is an algebraic expression. Why it is an algebraic expression? Here you can see that there is a combination or there is a collection of constant and variables, and also the sign plus, which is the fundamental operator. So this is an algebraic expression. Another example I may give you, 7x minus 9. This is also an algebraic expression. So and so on and so forth. All these type of expressions, they are known as the algebraic expression, where there is a collection of constants, variables, and fundamental operations. Now, next we have the terms. What are the terms? Now, when we say terms, it means the various parts of an algebraic expression, they are known as the terms. For example, if I give you 2a plus
3b minus 1. Okay. Now terms. Terms, they are the various parts of an algebraic expression separated by the sign plus or minus. They are known as the terms. So here you can see that this is one term, okay, and this is another term. These two terms, they are being separated by this sign plus. Again, this is another term, and here also it has been separated by the sign minus. So all these, they are known as the terms. This is one term, this is another term, and this is another term. So all these, they are known as the terms. Now next we have the types of algebraic expression. Now what are the types of algebraic expression? The types of algebraic expression are, number 1, monomial. Then number 2 we have binomial. Number 3 we have trinomial. Number 4 we have quadrinomial. And number 5 we have polynomial. Now what is a monomial? An algebraic expression that has only one term, or you can say that contain only one term, is known as a monomial. For example, if I give you 2a, this is a monomial. Why? Because it has only one term. Another example, 3abc. This is also a monomial. Why? Because it has only one term. So any algebraic expression that contain or that have only one term, they are known as monomial. Now binomial. Binomial, they are an algebraic expression where they have or they contain two terms. For example, if I give you 2a plus 3b, here you can see that there are two terms, 1, 2. So this type of expression, this type of algebraic expression that has two terms, they are known as binomial. Another example I may give you, 3a plus 5. This is also binomial. Why? Because it has two terms. First is this one, 3a, and another one is 5. So 1, 2. Two terms, so which means they are called binomial. Now trinomial. Trinomial, it means an algebraic expression that has three terms. Okay, trinomial is an algebraic expression that has three terms. For example, I may give you 2a plus 5b minus 2. If you looked at this one, you can see that there are three terms, 1, 2, and 3. The first term is 2a, then comes 5b, and then comes this 2. So when you looked at this, you can see that there are three terms, 1, 2, and 3. This is what we call trinomial, which means an algebraic expression that has three terms, they are known as trinomial. Now next we have quadrinomial. Now quadrinomial, it means an algebraic expression that has four terms. Okay, four terms. For example, if I give you 5x plus 2y plus 3z plus 1. Here, if you count, you can see that there are 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 terms, which means this type of algebraic expression which has 4 terms, they are known as quadrinomial. Now next we have polynomial. Now what is a polynomial? Okay, all these terms, monomial, binomial, trinomial, quadrinomial, all these, they are known as polynomial. Okay, which means a polynomial is an algebraic expression which has one or more than two terms, which means all these monomial, binomial, trinomial, and quadrinomial, they are all known by the name polynomial. Now next we have the factors. Now, what are the factors? Now, each of the quantities, whether constant or variable, they multiply together to give a term. Okay, and that is called a factor. Now, for example, if I give you 3ABC, this becomes 3A, B, and C, which means 3 into A into B, 3 into A into B into C will give you 3ABC. You multiply all these and then you will get 3ABC. So all these 3A, B, and C, they are known as the factors. Now another example I may give you. Suppose here it's 3ABC plus 4. This 4, it means 4 multiplied with 1 will give you 4, which means 4 into 1 will give you 4. So 4 and 1, they are known as the factors. Clear? Now that's all for today's class. Hope you gained some knowledge through this video. Thank you. See ya.